Hi everyone, welcome to Misha Designs. As always, to my subscribers, welcome back. It is extremely cold right now. Rain is falling. It's a very bleak day and my AC is on, so that's like double the coolness for me. So I have my hoodie on today, guys. Alright, just excuse the look today. So in today's video, I want to do a really cool and quick upcycle of a bag. I'm going to take this bag and upcycle it into a quick, easy crop top. Well, for me, I'm going to try to make it a little longer, but the idea is to turn it into a really cool, chic crop top. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my time and pull this bag apart. Right here, I'm making all necessary alterations to the main piece. I then took the right side of the main piece, placed it on top of the right side of the scrap fabric to cut out the necessary piece for the lining. Once I had that, I then took my clips, clipped everything into place, leaving one side open, took it to my machine and stitched the entire pinned area. Alright, so this is the lining on, and I am going to now turn it right side out. So now, as you can see, the little cotton is no longer the inner area. It's on the inside, but my scrap fabric is now my inner lining. Right? And my edges are nice and put together. Only this end here is a bit out of whack, but I'm just going to fold and tuck that in and neaten it up. Now that I have my piece all nice and ready, I took this jacket zipper off of an old piece of clothing, so I would be using it on this piece. Now, yes, it is a lot of zipper here, so I'm only gonna use what I need and just cut away the rest. So I'm gonna start from the bottom first. I'm starting from the bottom and I'm just going to use pins and pin one side into place. Alright, so I finished attaching the zipper and I am using the straps from the bag to create her arm straps. I already had her try it on and I have the straps pinned in place where they're supposed to be, so I'm going to go to my machine and stitch the straps into place. Alright, I'm finished with the basic stuff. The top is literally complete, but I need a little more from this top. So I'm gonna jazz it up by using my grommet toolkit to add a few grommets to it and give it that extra pop. That's it for now, guys. Till next time, deuces.